All right guys, so you see right here next to me is the 2020 Supra. You guys saw us review this car. Now we're doing the full clear bra paint protection film on it. This is wet application as you guys already know. So the entire vehicle is getting this, from the diffuser to the body, doors, bumpers, everything. So we're gonna protect this paint. The car's brand new. The customer wants it to have 0 scratches, 0 dents, nothing. So this is gonna prevent all of that from happening.
Engine runs now, so the whole thing was to make sure that this engine's running. So we do have a healthy engine. We have a brand new carburetor in here now. So now Javier's gonna start on the brakes of the car. The gas tank is very dirty, so we're gonna lower that and start doing some cleaning and get it ready. So this car is it's getting there. Stay tuned.
So we are on the way to the post office. We upgraded our website. We are doing a lot of shipments. We're getting tons of orders a day. We are shipping them out ourselves. We ship out daily, same day even. So really fast shipping now. Before we had a problem where we were too busy. Our website wasn't good enough to handle that stuff, but now it's super easy, super quick. Pricing is all right. The shirts are priced right. Shipping is good. Everything is good. You can order it all over the world. Go on there, rdbla.com, do it. We're going to USPS right now. I have a few of the daily shipments with me, doing it myself. Sometimes I do it, sometimes somebody else does it at the shop. Regardless, we do it ourselves, just like everything else, the cars, everything. So let's get this stuff shipped out for you guys. G-Wagons. This is a little short story about G-Wagons. The older ones at night, even during the day, if you left your G-Wagon outside somewhere vulnerable, some groups would come and actually steal the headlights, the headlight bezels, stuff like that. Even the spare tire cover with the spare wheel on there. Very common. Insurance companies know about it. We would get this claim quite often. We thought the new G-Wagon might have been safe from this, but it's not. The new G-Wagons, there's a string of theft occurrences as well. They're stealing the headlights, they're stealing the rear spare tire covers, all that stuff again. It's unfortunate that Mercedes didn't do something to prevent this from being a common thing, but unfortunately it is. The new G-Wagon is crazy expensive to replace those headlights because the modules, all that stuff is on the headlights. So anytime you replace those headlights, you're gonna have to buy all those modules. And so far right now, the dealerships don't even know how to program these modules. So it's a big problem, but we've done already 2 of these cars. So kind of crazy, already 2 brand new G63s, which are going over sticker still. Same problem, the headlights were stolen. So crazy stuff, keep your G-Wagons protected.
So we have a 2016 Ford Mustang GT. It's a premium package. We're doing the body work on these doors. Quarter panel, there's few damages, dents. So we're taking care of this part. So the accident was in the front. We're just gonna take care of this part and fix this. You have special Swarovski unique emblems. You don't see this every day. So we have to be careful with this ones. Install it back again. So just subscribe if you guys like this. Thank you for watching. We have a special car here. Let me show it to you guys. This is the VIX M3, the 1000 horsepower car. Still, my car will smoke this car any day. Vic is scared to race me, so I just did offer him to race me, but he couldn't. So yeah, it's one of my favorite M3s, but I don't know. I think my car will still smoke on.
standing in front of our in-house paint booth. We've been showing you guys more of the paint process lately, which is really cool. We have 2 paint booths in-house. A lot of shops out there don't have it. They sublet everything. Everything is done in-house with RDB. That's the reason why we've survived for so long. So let's take a look inside what's happening today. So as you guys could see, there's a lot of stuff laid out over here. This is all from the G-Wagon 4x4 convertible project we are working on. As you can see, all the doors are here, 4 doors, the trunk door, all the hinges, because the G-Wagon hinges are exposed. The fenders are here. However, only the jambs were painted because we're gonna wait to put this on the vehicle to finish up the rest of the paint work on it. This is all the jambs, inside parts. Next, all this stuff goes on the vehicle and then you paint the whole vehicle so it matches properly. Remember, this is a color change paint job going on. This was a dark blue color that is turning into a Mercedes white color now. So there you have it, everything's there. Check this out down here. These are actually little bolts that belong to the hinges. They're also painted in white. So we're getting all the small details worked out. Lots of stuff to paint. We still have a few more parts like the fender flares. Then it's on to interior work, and then you guys will see another convertible 4x4 project done. So I'm currently located in the middle of the G-Wagon 4x4 convertible. As you see, the car is stripped. All the jambs were painted white, as you guys saw in the other episode. So currently all this stuff is white. Next, the parts go on and then we do more paint. So currently you can see the blue right there, all the body work. This is the custom window where the glass is gonna be. Right here in the back is gonna be the custom bench. We have a lot of work to do on the interior after this. This is a naked convertible 4x4 G-Wagon. You've never seen this before, only at RDB. All right guys, there's mini-me in a custom Bentley Baby Seat. This doesn't belong to my car, obviously. It's white, it's not red, it's Bentley, it's in a Lamborghini. This is for one of my good customers, for their newborn. We're gonna take it to them, deliver it to them in another episode, but it's done. This started off as a very basic baby seat, and it's fully done up in this leather white with quilted stitching with the Bentley embroidery right there, and ready for a bougie baby right there. So we can make this with the Lamborghini emblem. We can make it to match the interior color, even this type of style of leather. All of that stuff could be matched. We could build this, we could ship it. Several ways to do it. You could contact us and we could go over it for you. This used to be a huge hit for us. We used to do it all the time. So I'm glad we did it again right here. So it looks really cool. We didn't have anything to put in. I don't have children yet, but you know, this is my 3D printed Vic right here. So this is actually perfect. He's really safe.
No, don't do it. Don't do it.
That's bad. Let's see the tape. Oh, 3 of them.
Don't try this at home. It's not really safe.
Now let's do your head.
No!